Hello and good morning. Today we will be studying Indian place value system. This place value system is used to identify the large numbers. This system is also known as the Hindu-Arabic system. Now, here you can see an example of the Indian place value chart. Here, the extreme right period is known as the ones period, then the thousands period, then the lakhs period, and then the crores period. How to read a number in Indian place value system. For example, 105674. In this system, we start grouping the numbers from right to left in the group of 3, inserting commas in between. After arranging the digits in the place value chart, the number name will be 1,05,674.